Hello everyone, my name is Scott. Today we are reviewing this Nugget countertop ice maker machine. Don't worry, the box came fine, we just had to rip off some labels here. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. Alright guys, so this is the ice maker. You get a manual, you get your handle, takes a regular 3-prong outlet. At first, guys, so this is just a wrap that you peel off, but I actually dig this color. I think the brand should think about maybe making an ice maker in this bluish color. But that's just a protective wrap that is on, and we're going to go ahead and peel that off. I know the stainless steel look is really cool, but that blue was actually pretty cool. I definitely like that blue. So here you guys can see the stainless steel look. You have your ice and clean, add water, notification, and ice is full. Inside here is your tray. Make sure you take off all of the tape that's inside. There's going to be tape on the sides of the basket. So peel off all that tape. I recommend cleaning this and running ice through this multiple times before you actually eat the ice, just to get anything from internals out. As the notice says, it says please keep it upright for at least 2 hours before you start using this. Once plugged in, it lights up red, which is pretty cool. So you guys can see. So I definitely like that. Now we're going to go ahead and add water. And we just place water in here. There's going to be a max fill line. If we can find it. Normally it says max. So yeah, right here. Don't fill water past this line inside here. Okay? Okay, now we're going to add water in here. Press the button to turn it on, and we're gonna see, hopefully it shows you guys the add water light comes on, unless we had enough in it, which there might be enough. So I just wanted to demonstrate it, but that's fine, there's enough. So we're just gonna fill this up, and now we can go ahead, place the basket inside. This is for scooping. Drop it down. As you guys can see, the illuminating light. It is white, letting you know it's on. If it's full of ice, again, it will light up here. If you need to add water, it will light up here. So now we wait. I love how small and compact this is. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but it is very small and compact. For putting the handle on, it's actually pretty simple. You have these little grooves. They're just going to slide in like this. Like that. And there you go. Make sure you have it in. The handle's in nice and secure before you lift it up so you don't drop it. But yeah, now we wait.